Hey everyone, it's me Preeti. Today I'm going to teach you a concept called array list. Now this array list it usually comes under a concept called collections, which is a very important topic present in Java. It is also present in Python as well. So this is a very strong concept because while building a very huge performance applications, this concepts will be used, and someone has asked me to talk about array list. So that is the reason I have made this video. Now the differences between array and array list. Array is a fixed size, that is it cannot be incremented dynamically. When you have a fixed size of 10 values, it will only allow 10 values. When coming to array list, when you try inserting the values more than 10, the size will be incremented automatically by the array list. That is, array list is resizable. And coming to array, in array you are specifying a data type int a and two brackets. So it means that it will allow only integer data type, and if you specify string, it allows only string data type values. But array list is like it will allow any kind of data you actually pass into array list, right? And array list, it actually follows the insertion order. It will allow the duplicates to be entered, and it can also be iterated by using different for loop conditions. So I will be showing all of these conditions by performing the operations and how array list is actually declared and created, etc. Right? So I'm going to take everything off. Yes, and this is a package, import java.util.arraylist package. This is automatically imported while writing a concept or while writing array list. So I'll just type A, R, R, A, Y and L. So give control space, it will be automatically imported. Yes, you can see it has been automatically imported. Now this one, this is very important. This two brackets and there is E inside it. This is specifying the data type which you want to insert. So if you want to add only integer data into your array list, you can specify INTE, yeah, integer data type. And if you want to insert only string elements, you can give string. Yes, so it will only allow you to insert the string data values, right? And you can give any type. There is presence of all data types in array list as well, and you can specify which kind of data you want to insert. But if you want your array list to accept any kind of data you insert, then please don't specify anything, just leave it as it is. Okay, and give an object name. Array list a is equals to new array list. Yes, new array list. Oh yeah, one second. New is equals to new array list. Yes, and try adding value a dot add. So there are several inbuilt methods present for array list. You have add, again you have add, int, index and object element. You have add all. You can give several elements at once to add. You can give clear, clone, contains, contains all. So these are all the inbuilt methods. So I'm trying add. Yes, you can insert integer element, that is 1, and a dot add. You can insert string element, that is, just type something. Yes, again you can also insert a decimal values. Yes, so finally print it. Yes, save and run. Yes, run. So whatever you can see here is an output of an array list. Yes, so it means that array list will actually allow different kind of data types to be inserted as well. Yes, and one more thing you can notice is that it is following the insertion order. You have inserted first one first. You can see one is being printed first, and you can see confused. Let me clarify. So that is also being printed next, and next it is 12.00. Yes, so it means it is allowing a it follows an insertion order as well. Next, I'm going to tell you that array list can also will also accept a null value. So a dot add, just give null. So you can see it will also accept a null value. Yes, so at the end you can see null. And next, another thing is array list will also accept a redundant value, that is a duplicates. I'm again trying to insert a null value, so it becomes duplicates, right? But it still accepts a duplicates, that is null and again null, right? And what else? I think I have covered its features, everything. First one, it is resizable. So the size will get automatically incremented. Second, it will allow any kind of data to be inserted into an array list. Third, it follows an insertion order. Fourth, it allows a redundant values also. Fifth, it will also allow a null values to be inserted, right? So the last thing is how to iterate a collection or an array list. So you can you can iterate by using a for loop or a for each loop also. Today I'm going to teach you using for. So iterate over array. Yes. So in normal array we were specifying length, but in array list you are specifying the size. So a dot size. So this is how you actually iterate an array list, by specifying the size but not the length. When you specify this length, your array list will not be iterated. And finally, I'm showing how to get individual elements of array list. A dot get, okay, of I. So in normal array, you used to specify a of I, that is array. In array list, you should specify a dot get of I, right? And I'm taking this ln statement off, and I'll give space. Yes, save, and run the program. Yes, so you can see one confused. Let me clarify 12.0 null null, right? So this is how you actually perform operations on array list. There are more and more operations, inbuilt methods which are present on array list. Not only array list, but also on several concepts of collections. Like you have linked list, singly linked list. This is actually an array list. You also have maps, you have trees, you have sets, right? So set is very important topic. In this array list, you are actually allowing a duplicate values. Array list will actually accept a duplicate values, but set, it will never accept a duplicate values. So using set, you can actually eliminate the duplicates present in your array, right? Very easy. Yeah. So I hope you understood the concept of array list. Yes, if you did like this video, please do share and subscribe. Subscribe the video, please. Yes, and if you have any doubts and if you didn't understand, please do let me know in the comments so that I will come back to you in a better way, because the main agenda is making you understand this concept. It is not, I don't want you people to buy heart anything. I just want you to understand the concept. That is very important for me. Yes, because I had very many problems while learning things, because there were no proper videos found where there were explanation of concepts. So that is why I have started this, so that you people could actually understand the concepts. Yes. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe so that you will be updated on what I upload every day. Yes. Thank you so much.